Okay, a lot of people felt that these were really pretty easy problems, so I'm just going to set up the proportions. I'm going to let you solve them. Or maybe I'll get back to them later, but I want to post them just for you to be able to see what the proportions are. So in this side splitter theorem, it says this is to this as this is to this. So we can set that proportion up as 8 is to 10, or 8 over 10 is to 6 over x. Multiplying then, you get 8x equals 60, and I guess I'll just solve it because it's so quick to solve. Divide both sides by 8, and when you solve this, you have to divide 60 by 8, and what you get is 7, and you have 4 remaining. 8 times 7 is 56, so there's 4 remaining. 4 over 8 is 1/2. That's it. Okay. Again, with the side splitter theorem here, we've got x plus 5 is to x as 12 is to 8. So we can say this, multiply the diagonals, we get 12x equals 8 times x plus 5, or 12x equals 8x plus 40, which when you subtract the 8x, you find that 4x equals 40. And I'm not writing all the math out, but you should always. X equals 10. I'm only saving time and saving space because I'm down at the bottom of the screen. That's it.